up? Udizzo again from the House of Fins, and we're actually doing another unboxing video, so we're gonna pop right into it. I'm gonna start off with these guys. They're really cool. These are the it's a newer variety of guppy. I don't think we've worked with these yet. The name escapes me at the moment, but we'll follow up with that at the end of the video. But these guys are really neat, beautiful little guppies. But we do have another batch of guppies. And these we've had before. And these are the Cobra Koi guppies. These are the Cobra Koi guppies. Really cool, very beautiful fish. They look amazing in large schools. So unfortunately right now we're only getting the males. The breeders are definitely keeping the females back because guppies being guppies will breed profusely. So they're protecting those stocks. But in the meantime, the males do make awesome little schooling fish, good community tank fish. So those guys are really neat, very beautiful. This guy is really cool. This is probably one of the largest green phantom PLECOs I've ever seen. So these guys come on the warm waters down in South America from Colombia. Big riverine catfish. But this guy is absolutely massive. It's solid. You can see him from the front. Look at that, like when you get him on the bottom. So, really cool. This is like the biggest green phantom PLECO I've ever seen. This guy's another really neat one. This is the trumpet knife. Really cool coloration on this guy. Be careful with him in tanks with smaller fish. He'll definitely eat them up. And also be careful with keeping him in tanks with, larger, more aggressive fish. This guy's not able to protect himself. So he'll get beat up pretty easily. But probably not getting the best pictures of him right now, but we'll have follow-up of this guy, some stills at the end of the video as always. And this guy, another classic fish, this is the zebra flash PLECO. These guys are from Peru, very easy to take care of. They love to eat wood, so provide tons of driftwood in there for them. So, all right guys, so if the pictures in the bag weren't the best, we do have like the follow-up video at the end, and we'll have stills and things like that. So that's it. Thanks so much.